Welcome back to our beautiful channel ChemHi. So in this video we are going to discuss about special methods used for the preparation of haloalkanes. Chloroalkane, bromoalkane, iodoalkane and fluoroalkanes. Okay, so alkyl fluorides, how to prepare? Anyhow, haloalkanes we can prepare from alkanes, free radical substitution reaction. Okay, so in this reaction we can prepare, that is good for the preparation of chlorides and bromides. But for iodides, that is highly endothermic, so it requires more heat energy. That's why not good. And for fluorides preparation, that is a highly explosive reaction, so not good. So preparation of haloalkanes, chlorides and bromides we can prepare from alkanes. But iodides it is not easy to prepare, and fluorides that is highly explosive, not good. And from alkenes we can prepare all iodides, chlorides, bromides, all we can prepare. But the problem is here, intermediate, that is the electrophilic addition reaction. We are getting one intermediate, that intermediate is a carbonium ion. Carbonium ion formed rearrangement takes place. 1,2 hydride shift, methyl shift or phenyl shift, like this rearrangement takes place. Because of rearrangement, different products we are getting, nothing but major product, minor product, like this. So pure compound, one compound, single compound we are not getting. Okay, we can prepare fluorides, chlorides, bromides, iodides, but their carbonium ion formation, because of that rearrangement, then different products we are getting, mixture of products we are getting. Okay, from alcohols also we can prepare all these, but here also we are getting carbonium ion, because SN1 mechanism, in that we are getting carbonium ion. Carbonium ion form, definitely rearrangement takes place. Here also we are getting major product and minor product, nothing but mixture of products we are getting. That's why. So what are the special methods, what are the best methods used for the preparation of these haloalkanes? So first one is chloroalkanes, alkyl chlorides. What's the best one for the preparation of alkyl chlorides? The process name is Dargent's process. Dargent's process is the best one for the preparation of alkyl chlorides. Okay, so how to prepare? Anyhow, in last video we discussed this Dargent's process for this preparation. Alcohol. So why this is the best one for the preparation of chloride? Alcohol is treated with SOCl2. What is this one? Thionine chloride. But same, if the given question is cyclohexane, this is treated with SO2Cl2 in the presence of peroxide. What is the product obtained? Cyclohexane reaction. This is SOCl2, thionine chloride. This is SO2Cl2, sulfuryl chloride. So react with SO2Cl2 in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of peroxide, free radical substitution reaction in alkanes. So here one of the H free radical replaced by Cl free radical. So we are getting here, so cyclo, not benzene, this is a chloro. So chlorocyclohexane. So chlorocyclohexane is the product. Here what we are using? SO2Cl2, sulfuryl chloride in the presence of a peroxide. But now what we are using? SOCl2, thionine chloride. So alcohol is treated with thionine chloride. Now here what happens? Already in last video we discussed this. Here H replaced by H and Cl eliminated as HCl. Now it gives one intermediate RO. How this elimination? Initially like this, ROH. Okay. So here lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons donate to this SOCl2 here. Okay. Now this Cl minus elimination takes place. ROH. Here SOCl. One Cl there. Okay. Now here plus, because oxygen 3 bonds, then this one elimination. Okay. So this H plus elimination is not with this bond, H plus and this Cl minus, that is the HCl. So what we are getting here? ROSOCl. Right? ROH, lone pair of electrons are there, so it acts as a Lewis base. Now SOCl2, here this sulfur attracts this electron, lone pair, accepts the lone pair of electrons. At the same time, the Cl minus elimination takes place. Then this oxygen bonded with this sulfur. and here H, 3 bonds positive charge. That's why this H plus elimination takes place. Then what we are getting, one intermediate is the ROSOCl. This is like ester. Okay, RCOO. RCOO. Nothing but there is a ester. Like that, this is one inorganic ester. One inorganic ester we are getting. Now what happens? Intramolecular nucleophilic substitution, SNI mechanism. SNI mechanism. This one here and this Cl attached to this. So what is the product of it? RCl plus SO2. RCl plus SO2. Initially here in first step HCl elimination, now SO2 elimination. So what is the reaction here? How this reaction? ROH, alcohol is treated with SOCl2 thionite chloride, HNCl eliminated as HCl and SO2 elimination plus RCl. Okay. So this is the best one for the preparation of chlorides. Why this is best for the preparation of chlorides? One reason is here no carbonium ion, nothing. Like that one inorganic ester. No rearrangements. Okay, no rearrangements, and inversion also not takes place because here direct retention of the configuration takes place, and byproducts are SO2 and HCl. Both are gases. So why Darjan's process is best one for the preparation of pure alkyl chlorides? Given the answer is byproducts SO2 and HCl both are gases, and inorganic ester formation structure retains. Okay. But same reaction in the presence of pyridine given. In the presence of pyridine given. Now this pyridinium chloride nucleophile Cl minus. Now this Cl minus attached from this back side. From this here R and this elimination as usual. Okay. This also eliminate, this eliminate, Cl attached to this. Now what we are getting? RCl plus SO2 plus Cl minus this H plus HCl. Okay. So in the presence of pyridinium chloride will form. So Cl minus nucleophile generated. That nucleophile attached from back side of this alkyl group. Nothing but inversion takes place. Inversion takes place means the mechanism is a SN2 mechanism. Okay, SN2. If pyridine not given SNI mechanism, pyridine not given SNI, pyridine given SN2 mechanism, inversion takes place. Okay, so this is the best one for the preparation of chlorides. Bromides also we can prepare SOBr2 but less stable, and SOI2 not exist. That's why this is not good for the preparation of iodides. SOI2 not exist, SOBr2 also less stable, SOCl2 is the best one. Okay, so for chlorides the best method is the Darjan's process. So here the question is HOH like this given. This is treated with SOCl2. What is the answer? Same treated with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. Answer. SOCl2 given SNI mechanism retains. Okay. So H, this OH replaced by Cl. This is the answer. In the presence of pyridine given inversion. Inversion means now this is Cl and this is H. Okay. In the presence of pyridine, inversion takes place. Here retains. This is a Darjan's process. So Darjan's process is best one for the preparation of chlorides and chlorides. Bromide also we can prepare. But SOI2 not exist. That's why iodide we can't prepare. Okay. And next. For chlorides and bromides, one more also we can use. That's the primary amine. Primary amine is treated with nitrosyl chloride, NOCl, nitrosyl chloride. We can use nitrosyl bromide. Okay. Now here the reaction is RCH2Cl. If NOBr used, RCH2Br plus N2. Nitrogen gas elimination takes place plus H2O. Okay. Here also plus N2 plus H2O. Like this from primary amines using nitrosyl chloride. Thionite chloride, nitrosyl hydroxyl bromide also we can use with primary amides. Like this also we can prepare chlorides and bromides. Okay. So the next one is the best method for the preparation of alkyl bromide. Method name Borodin Hunsdicker's method. Borodin-Hunsdicker's process. So how to prepare alkyl bromide? So here we are using silver salt of fatty acid, or we can use lead salt of fatty acid. Silver salt of fatty acid or lead salt of fatty acid. How to prepare this one? Fatty acid, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is treated with silver oxide. If it is treated with silver oxide, silver salt of fatty acid will form. Okay. Or it is treated with lead oxide, lead salt of fatty acid. Okay, like this. From these two, any one we can use silver salt of fatty acid or lead salt of fatty acid in Borodin-Hunsdicker's reaction. Okay, this we are going to use. So how to get this one means carboxylic acid is treated with silver oxide, silver salt of fatty acid, treated with lead oxide, lead salt of fatty acid. Okay, so now I am taking silver salt of fatty acid. How this reaction takes place? RCOOAg, silver salt of fatty acid, it is treated with bromine in the presence of CCl4 solvent. Reference with solvent CCl4. Okay. So silver salt of fatty acid with bromine. Now here Ag and Br. AgBr elimination. Okay. And what we are getting here? RCOOBr. Okay, RCOOBr. Now this is a RCOOBr. This OBr bond is very weak. Because of weak OBr bond, it decomposes to RCOO free radical and bromine free radical. Okay, nothing but this is the chain initiation step. Now here propagation. Now what happens? This free radical, now it changes to R free radical and CO2 releases carbon dioxide. Okay. Then this R alkyl free radical reacts with bromine. It gives RBr alkyl bromide and bromine free radical. Again bromine free radical will form. Or this reaction like this also takes place. And but next step. Here this RCOOBr there no? This one. This combines with R free radical. Okay, R free radical combines with bromine on this RCOOBr. Now RBr formation. Again here also we are getting one free radical COO. Okay, again this RCOO CO2 elimination, R free radical formation. That free radical combines with this or combines like this, it gives a RBr. Nothing but the mechanism is a free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism takes place. Like this reaction takes place. This is the product obtained. Nothing but alkyl bromide. So best yield bromide. Chloride also we can prepare, but yield is less. Chloride yield is less. Bromide yield is more. But iodine used, what happens? Chloride also we can prepare, but the yield is less. Best one for the preparation of bromide. Iodide we can prepare or not. If iodine used here, the reaction 2 moles involved in this reaction, AgI elimination and RCOOR ester formation takes place. If iodine used, like this reaction takes place, the product obtained is ester, no Ri. Iodide we can't prepare in this Borodin-Hunsdicker's reaction. Chloride we can prepare, but yield is less. Bromide best one. Iodide we can't prepare because iodine used, the product obtained is ester. Ester formation takes place. This reaction name is Simonini reaction. Simonini reaction. Bin-Bond-Simonini reaction. Bin-Bond-Simonini reaction. Reaction takes place. Not Borodin-Hunsdicker's reaction. The reaction name is different. There is a Bin-Bond-Simonini reaction. The product obtained is ester. Okay. So here yield, which is a good, very important question. In this the yield, best yield, primary, secondary, tertiary. The mechanism is a free radical mechanism and primary bromide is the best one. Okay, the yield of the product obtained, primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary. And bromide's best method, and the mechanism is free radical mechanism. Iodine used, ester formation takes place. That reaction name is a Bingbom-Simonini reaction, and this reaction name is a Borodin-Huns-Dickes reaction. Okay, so Borodin-Huns-Dickes reaction is the best one for the preparation of bromides. So next, for fluorides, what is the best method? Best method for the preparation of fluorides, Schwartz process. This is a halogen exchange, halide exchange process, halogen exchange reaction, Schwartz reaction. So how to prepare? Here we are using chloride or bromide. Okay, chloride or bromide. This is treated with potassium fluoride. Okay, metal fluoride, potassium fluoride in the presence of high boiling solvent. High boiling solvent. So we can use 18 crown 6 ether as solvent. We have to heat at high temperature, or we can use ethylene glycol, diethylene glycol, ethylene glycol. Also we can use as solvent. Okay, in the presence of this solvent, halogen exchange takes place. The product obtained is Rf plus KCl. Okay, we can use chloride or bromide also. Bromide, for example, CH3, CH2, Br. This is treated with a metallic fluoride. So here we can use a HgF2, okay, or Hg2F2, or we can use COF3, cobalt fluoride, or we can use AsF3, SbF3, metallic fluorides. Fluorides, inorganic fluorides. Fluorides we are using in the presence of ethylene glycol, high boiling solvent. Okay, ethylene glycol on heating, halogen exchange takes place. CH3, CH2F plus HgBr2. That is 2 moles. Okay, so this reaction name is a Schwartz reaction. Halogen exchange takes place. Chlorides or bromides, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide treated with metallic fluorides, inorganic fluorides in the presence of high boiling solvent, crown ethers or ethylene glycol, diethylene glycol. Then product obtained is a fluoride. Like this we have to prepare fluorides. It follows SN2 mechanism. Okay, complete halogen exchange follows a SN2 mechanism. Nothing but inversion takes place. Okay, this is the preparation of fluorides. So next, what is the best one for the preparation of iodide? That is also halogen exchange. Iodide, Finkelstein reaction. Like this, one more name, Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction means there is a preparation of alkanes from alkyl halides, just like Wood's reaction. Okay, this is a Finkelstein reaction, preparation of iodide. This is also just a halogen exchange reaction. Okay, halogen exchange. So how this reaction takes place? This is also SN2 mechanism. Nothing but inversion takes place. Okay, so RCl or RBr. Bromide is best one for the preparation of this iodide compared to this chloride. Why this is better than this one? Here CBr bond, here CCl bond. Okay, CBr bond is weaker than CCl bond. So here bond breaking is easy. So easily exchanged by that iodide. Okay, that's why for this halogen exchanger, bromides are better than this chlorides. Anyhow, we can use chloride and bromide. Why bromide is better? Given answer is a CBr bond is weaker than CCl bond. Okay, now what is the reagent used? Sodium iodide. In the presence of dry acetone, acetone is used as a solvent here. Okay, so then halogen exchange takes place. Cl minus replaced by I, NaCl formation. Like the bromide used sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone on heating, Ri plus NaBr. Okay, so the important question is why acetone is used as solvent in this Finkelstein reaction? Why we are using acetone as solvent? So in the presence of this acetone, NaCl, NaBr we are getting as precipitate. Okay, nothing but NaCl, NaBr is insoluble in dry acetone. Sodium iodide soluble, but these two are less soluble, insoluble. We are getting as precipitate. If we are getting as precipitate, then here backward reaction is less. Nothing but it favors a forward reaction. according to Le-Charlier principle. This we are getting as precipitate. We can remove this precipitate easily. So we are removing this precipitate means a forward reaction is more favorable based on Le-Charlier's principle. So forward reaction takes place easily. Nothing but chloride and bromide replaced by iodide. So that's why we are using acetone as solvent. So why dry acetone we are using as solvent? Chloride and bromide, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, we are getting as precipitate. Okay, this is the preparation of iodides. The best method is a Finkelstein reaction. So for chlorides, the best one is a Darges process, bromide, Borodin, Hans-Dickers method, and fluoride, Schwarz reaction. Iodides, the best one is a Finkelstein reaction. Schwarz also just halogen exchange only. So this is the Finkelstein reaction. And redox process also we can use for the preparation of these halides. Redox process. In this redox process, just alcohol we are using. For example, CH3, CH2, OH, alcohol. One alcohol we are taking. This alcohol is treated with halogen and in the presence of a triphenyl phosphate. C6H5O taken as PO, triphenyl phosphate. On heating, this OH replaced by Br. CH3, CH2, Br plus C6H5OH. C6H5OH phenol plus and Br is there no? Remaining twice. C6H5O taken twice. POBr. POBr. Bromo. Okay. So like this also we can prepare alkyl halides. Redox process from alcohols using triphenyl phosphate. Okay. And for bromide, best method is the Borodin Hans-Dickers reaction. Then we are using silver salt of fatty acid. Instead of that, we can take direct acid, carboxylic acid. Here also we get better yield only. So carboxylic acid is treated with bromine in the presence of Hg2 plus or Pb4 plus. Lead ion, lead oxide also we can use. Now red mercuric oxide. Carboxylic acid reacts with bromine in the presence of red mercuric oxide and in CCl4 solvent on heating. Now here this one, just like Borodin Hans-Dickers reaction only, but instead of silver salt we are using like this. So RBr plus HgBr2 plus CO2. Okay, CO2 formation takes place. So like this also we can prepare. Nothing but take 2 moles. Okay. HgBr2 plus CO2 elimination takes place. So carboxylic acid is treated with bromine in the presence of mercuric oxide, red mercuric oxide. Instead of this we can use lead oxide also. Okay. So this is also gives a good yield instead of silver salt. Okay. These are the different methods used for the preparation of haloalkanes. So some examples. First example, RCOOAg. RCOOAg means silver salt of fatty acid. Is treated with bromine in the presence of CCl4. Nothing but this reaction is a Borodin Hans-Dickers reaction. So what is the product obtained? Free radical mechanism. Product how to identify? Product with a one carbon product. What we are getting that? One carbon less than the reactant. Okay. Just remove this part COOAg. That replaced by Br. Okay. So bromocyclohexane. But continuation given. What is that? Reaction with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. Nothing but this reaction is a Finkelstein reaction. Okay. Finkelstein reaction. Halogen exchange. So bromine replaced by bromide replaced by iodide. So iodocyclohexane. This is the answer. Okay. So Hans-Dickers reaction, Finkelstein reaction. So see the next one. See this next one. Br. So chiral carbon given. Here also chiral carbon. Okay. Reaction with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. This type of questions very important. Chiral carbon with chiral carbons given. Now it follows SN2 mechanism. Nothing but inversion takes place. SN2 mechanism, inversion takes place. So inversion means what is the answer here? pH. This side Br. Now this side iodine H. Okay. Inversion only here, not here. Don't touch this part. This part as it is retains. Because here no inversion. Where the reaction takes place, there inversion. Okay. They will give options with this side also inversion. Here not takes place. Only this part. Okay. Here SN2 mechanism inversion takes place. Remaining as it is. MEO and HPH. This is the answer. Okay. Inversion given, more than one chiral carbon given. Observe that. Don't change anything in remaining part. Where that SN2 mechanism takes place, there only inversion. Okay. So this is the answer. So next one. Nothing but this reaction is Finkelstein reaction. Now see this one. OH. SOCl2. Nothing but Dargins process. But pyridine not given. Anyhow here. This is CH2 only. So what is the reaction? Dargins process. This CH2, OH replaced by Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. That's it. Alcohol to alkyl chloride. Chloride formation. Just this is a SNI mechanism because pyridine not mentioned. Structure retains. Okay. And see this one. Carboxylic acid with silver oxide. Initially what we get here? Carboxylic acid. Remaining structure how they given like that. Okay. This changes to COOH, silver salt of fatty acid. Then treated with bromine in the presence of CCl4. Remove this part, replaced by bromine. That's it. Okay, silver salt of fatty acid that gives alkyl bromide, Huns-Dickers reaction. Okay, and see the last fifth one. SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. Nothing but SN2 mechanism inversion takes place. Inversion takes place means here this is Cl and this is H. OH replaced by Cl with inversion. Okay, this is the first one. Second step, sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. Again this is SN2 mechanism. Nothing but inversion takes place. Again inversion. Again inversion. So here H and this is iodine. Okay, nothing but same structure repeated. Okay, OH replaced by iodine because two times SN2 mechanism, inversion, again inversion, sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. So this is the final answer. Okay, so this is about preparation of haloalkenes. So in next video, how to prepare haloarenes preparation methods. Okay, thank you.